All right, everyone. Welcome back to another devlog for my dream game, MMORPG Magickness. Last time we were here, we were at a stable point, but we didn't have a solidified, consistent pipeline for clothing. And one of the priorities is to finish the demo, but to be able to submit a rough but complete version to Google Play for the Play Store listing. Now, to do that, I forgot to grab this. We have to cover up the nudity, and we have. So, I may or may not do a devlog on my new clothing pipeline. We'll see. But we've covered up the nudity. So now I feel like this completes like a step towards completion. Overall completion. And the next thing we're going to do is build custom enemies, which, through our newly discovered clothing pipeline, I think we're going to use that same pipeline for custom enemies. And it's going to be awesome. We're just going to be cracking stuff out. We're going to grow exponentially. And this is our 2D lobby. I'll be able to hang out with the other adventurers. See, it looks like way more complete now that they're not naked. People drop in. Alright. Let's see, mobile version of me somewhere in here. There I am. Alright. Boom. So, this is doable. I can work with this. Because all we have to do is do some polishing, add different coloring to the uniform here, make it less like be a bright yellow, but and then this opens up a whole new way to make armor and clothes. So could I leave all armor as a static mesh, like heavy armor? Maybe not all armor, but heavy armor, like for like a heavy knight, or and then I could build out the pieces, like the arm pieces. So it would all still move with the body, but each piece would be assigned to that part of the body, so it would move correctly. I think I could work for like heavy armor. So, yeah, this is exciting. We're getting close to the finish line. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. This might just stay like this for a while. I don't know. We're looking good. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, to transfer the animation. So if you look, you're gonna notice some quirks here. See that? I know what that is. It's just that they switch out the animation. It's funny. And then the running. Oh, I gotta loop that. All right. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I'm feeling very accomplished. I'm getting really excited because once I get enemies in here, then all I have to do is just start adding stuff. Just pile on more and more and more. Carve out this place, have enemies and trees, and then I can start adding like more abilities and treasure, loot. We need some loot. I get some cool loot materials in here, and then for the demo, uh, oh yeah, we gotta do the auction house. Oh, there's so much stuff. All right, the list just got a lot longer. Wait a minute. I'm gonna try and narrow it down though. I'm hoping to get this opened up for play testers who want to play the game and mess around here the next couple of weeks. And then we're going to go to our Kickstarter for crowdfunding and start submitting and doing marketing and videos and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, we're getting close. I love to see it. As always, we are only building up from here. Till next time, stay magical.